Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a very spooky makeup transformation, maybe because I want summer to end and maybe because I want Halloween to begin. But today we're going to do a makeup transformation of the Crooked Man from the Conjuring 2. Now the Crooked Man is so insanely creepy. He has this oozy, dark, sharp toothed mouth. You can't see his eyes because this red hat is over them, and he has this suit outfit that I love. It's right up my alley. If I was a man or a crooked man, I would wear that outfit too. So Tim Burton-esque. The Conjuring movie series is one of my all-time favorite horror movies. That whole universe of Annabelle and the Nun, it's all so good. It's my favorite. So today we're gonna prep for that. I'm in a top bun because we're going to put on a hat later, and I'm going to moisturize my skin for a good base so we could apply some makeup on. Now for the face paint, I'm gonna start with the Makeup Forever white face universal face paint. I have a feeling that this is the white that they put in the Makeup Forever Flash palette. Do you know that really expensive palette that everyone makes dupes of online? So with this, I'm just gonna use a makeup sponge, not a beauty blender, but a dupe. This is the e.l.f. one, to hopefully get an even base for our Crooked Man. I feel like the best, scariest makeups, characters in horror movies have a white face base, like that little boy from The Ring, Samara from The Ring, Annabelle, kind of white face base, Valak, the Nun, Scream, The Mask. There are so many. I'm not gonna paint my ears. If I do, it's not gonna be white. I'm probably gonna paint my ears black, if anything. Why did I do it on my eye? I don't know. Just trying to get an even base. Even though I feel like his makeup or look, face in general, is kind of messy, especially near the mouth area, it kind of looks like it's coming apart and more seamless like on the chin area. His mouth is so unique. It looks like a cracked open egg, but instead of a baby chick, it's like this creature from the Black Lagoon, but pure white instead of green. Now I'm just gonna powder that down with translucent setting powder. Of course, I'm gonna use Miss RCMA No Color Powder before we start painting that mouth, sis. Now for the mouth, I'm gonna dip into some cream paints. I really want to get a foresty green, but also one that's super, you know, deep and slimy, like thinking of moldy algae green. And so I'm gonna mix this with maybe some of this gray, and I'm gonna use some of these cream colors for the teeth because the teeth are super dirty, even though they're sharp. I'm not judging your digital work, Mr. Crooked Man, but all right, let's do this smile. Yes, this is a spatula. I'm just doing the rough outline of this. We're getting places. Why is this reminding me of the Joker? Alright, to do the edges around this mouth, I'm going to get some cream colors and a matte black. And these eyeshadows. Just also putting black eyeshadow on my ear. I should put aqua paint there. Just doing patting motions to give him some shadow and contour to make his grin. And down here, he has like cracks. So we're just doing some detail of the cracks. You can even get a push liner brush to really get some crackly detail and darker shader edges. You really want to look at your reference picture from this before doing this. It reminds me of Humpty Dumpty. If Humpty Dumpty was evil, first of all, if Humpty Dumpty cracked open to a gruesome smile. Just doing more contour over here, just slim down his face. Alright. Getting some black aqua paint. My favorite black aqua paint is from Wolfe Brothers because it has more wax consistency and material in it, so it comes out more pigmented. I'm going to start painting my ears first because that black eyeshadow is not going to cut it on the ear to really get rid of all the skin tone and make it disappear into the background like we have no ears because we're not human anymore. I'm going to start my Cupid's bow, start coloring the middle of that mouth. We're gonna start painting the teeth as well. I'm just painting in without messing up by talking too much. All of this mouth with black. It kind of looks like if an alligator had a human grin. Some sort of X-Files creature that was half human. I'm just doing the color of his outfit, starting that off, and doing some shadows here. Putting some more white here, just for that white top to come down further. And here's gonna be a bow. Now with the cream paint, I'm gonna start painting in some of those teeth. Well, isn't this terrifying? Just show it to the door to get my UPS packages. Hi. Alrighty then. Time to get some what? Aqua paint. To do the highlight, drippy saliva points of this makeup. Gonna go in with more matte black eyeshadow to do some detail work around the mouth. Just putting some white marks on the high points. Getting some red Graftobian aqua paint. Going to use a large brush to start painting his outfit. Now I'm gonna layer another red aqua paint. This one's from Wolfe Brothers. Much richer and more even. Alright, I'm just using this Swear By It palette and I'm going to get like this maroon color. I've been testing reds to layer on this. This one's gonna work. This color right here. This is the NYX Swear By It. I love this palette. I'm just using a flat kabuki brush for this eyeshadow to really get it all in there. Make the red seem deeper. The red eyeshadow that is, on top of this body painting. I'm gonna try something here and get a powder puff with that red to really, that's better. Better than a brush. So much better with this powder puff than with the brush. With the black, I'm just going to pat it here to make shadow. Now for some more black aqua paint. Yay! And I love this book because it reminds me of like ye old Edgar Allan Poe era. If the Crooked Man wrote poetry on the side. Gotta get that pinstripe. I would so wear this jacket if it was in my size.
Oh, you turn into, what's his name? The Crooked Man?
Yeah.
I gotcha. I love you.
Love you. Straps on straps on straps. Racks on racks on racks. Now I want an outfit like just like this. I'm gonna find me a men's coat that looks like this. And wear it with a black dress. And live my true crooked woman life. I'm just putting some matte black eyeshadow here to make it darker before I do some highlight with white paint. Getting some white aqua paint, I'm gonna start outlining the bow. Just doing some highlight marks. Getting some black cream paint to do more shadow and depth. Now all you have to do is get a red hat. This is my Mary Poppins hat. I put 2 black eyes on it. See, Mary Poppins. But you just flip it around. Put 2 black eyes on him, on the hat. And you just get some of my Harry Potter glasses from the Harry Potter video, and you're done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup transformation of the Crooked Man, inspired from The Conjuring 2. This was so much fun to make. All the products I use in this video will be listed down below in the description box as always. Please leave a comment on what you would love to see in a crazy makeup transformation on this video. If I choose your comment, I will shout it out. Thank you so much for watching. But now it is time for me to really take this off. I feel so crazy. We need some baby wipes. And a shower, of course. Yeah. Now I want to do so many more creepy makeups. I am so ready for Halloween. Subscribe for more crazy videos like this. I also do beauty makeup videos, and I post videos at least twice a week here on this YouTube channel. And we are crazy, love Elvis, love vintage things, love creepy and cute and oddities. I am like the grandma of YouTube. Ooh. I kind of want to just like walk around. I feel sad. Now I want this. I need a jacket like that so bad. It's like you know what? I'm just gonna go and take a shower, and I hope you guys have a great day. I love you all. Bye, creators. I'll see you soon. Mwah.